Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about VLC tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you on how to organize your VLC playlist, remove song or add video or remove video from your playlist in VLC media player. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do, let's say for instance, this particular video right here in my VLC media player. So next thing we want to do is to go ahead and come to the top right here. Having opened up your VLC media player, click on view, then go ahead and click on playlist, or you press Ctrl plus L. It's going to take you to your VLC playlist directly right here. Let's say, for instance, I want to go ahead and remove one out of these particular three tracks in my VLC media player. Let's say, for instance, I want to remove this. Then what you need to do is select the file that you want to remove, right click on it, and go ahead and make sure you click on remove selected file. Now we have about just two file left in my VLC media player playlist. From here, we can add more into this. For that, if you want to add more video or audio, go ahead and bring out your folder, and then you just need to drag and drop the as many as possible into the VLC media player playlist. So now we have more right here. So it's that simple. So it can be audio, it can be video. Just organize and rearrange, remove as many as possible, and add as many as possible to your playlist. VLC media. Once you are done, the next thing you want to do is click on and hit on play, and then the media will start to play up in your VLC media. Right? So simply expand and go ahead to click on and easily return back right here, and we can easily go back to view back right here. So once this particular video played completely, it automatically jumps to the next video, just like what you see right here. This is the next video right here. So once this one also played completely, it jumped to the next video or audio as the case may be. It's that simple, just like what you see right here. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your VLC media player, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.